Okay, now we're going to design a steering rack. So we open first an assembly. Okay, we are going to copy the design of the spar gear. So we close this one and we go to library and we go to toolbox. So once you go on toolbox, so this is toolbox, you go to unsymmetric. Okay, so unsymmetric. Under unsymmetric, we go to bolster, NAS, power transmission. Where are you there? Power transmission and then gears. So on the gear, we got the rack spar gear, so we bring in. So we are going to use module 2, 20. Pace width is 12 and then pitch is 20, right? Okay. Or even we put 15 only, right? 15. Check. So close, right? So this is already our sketch. So what we're gonna do here, we just sketch on this space, sketch, and then convert entity. All right, and then we are going to copy. Okay, Control C. Copy and then new part. Okay, on the front plane, sketch, then Control B. So this is the sketch that we have. So what we're gonna do, we are going to extrude features, extrude boss. Okay, extrude boss base by 15. The one we do just now is 15. Okay, and then brush, check. So this is already our spar gear, right? For the rack and pinion. So continue the sketch. We are going to sketch on right plane, sketch. Okay, normal 2. We're going to make a circle. Okay, so from the center, going to make it a circle. All right. So from this portion, we are going to extrude, right? Features, extrude. Wait, close. Normal 2. We are going to make one line sketch from this point to this point. And then features, extrude. So we extrude only, not all the part, but this part only. Oh, it's not connected. So I want this line remove, and I want this line and this line to be merged, coincident. So similarly there. Okay, check. Now extrude boss. So we select this area only. So we can go mid plane. Right. And then okay. Check. We edit the sketch. Edit sketch. We bring down this line until here. Then check. Close. Alright, so this is our rack, and then we sketch here. Sketch. we make another circle, normal 2. Okay, circle, we find the center, right center, should be the same. Okay, skip smart dimension, we use this one, we make it 23 there. Okay, then features, extrude. Okay, we make it 50. Enter, check. So we mirror, we use the right plane. Okay, and check. So this is now our steering rack. Okay, we can tamper on this side to make it nice. 2 months, so we make this one 5 or even 3, right? So same thing on the other side. Check. And then we're going to sketch a hole over here. Sketch, normal 2. We make a circle. Okay, find the middle, circle. All right, and then features, extrude cut. Then we create this is for the thread of the ball socket or the rack end. Okay, and then we mirror again. So mirror, right plane. Okay, check. So our steering rack is already completed.